Hey guys, it's Kind Pirates here, and today we're going to show you the best places to take pictures for your Instagram in Bangkok.
It's 2018 and everyone wants to step up their social media game, take better pictures, make a better content, so we decided to make it easier for you and show the best spots in Bangkok to take your Instagram pictures.
So the first place we picked was Aeroplane Graveyard, and it's one of the unusual but unique places to take photos in Bangkok. So stay tuned to see the spots to take your Instagram to the next level.
So what's happening?
Cost me 200, crazy. I'm not waiting for the change, but
Hopefully
I get my change back. It looks amazing though, I'm not gonna lie, but I'll get my change.
Is there a way to get in? Okay, you go first. Good thing that Mitchell is brave because I wouldn't go there to check it myself. I'm claustrophobic, that wasn't that bad. A lot of tiny places. Overcome your fears. Okay, let's go home. So guys, we just got to the biggest plane of the airplane graveyard, and the way here is quite challenging because it's very narrow and you basically need to climb. Yeah, let's not talk about it. Yeah, so it has 3 floors. The first floor is nothing to do there, it's very dark, so no pictures, nothing. The second floor, it's better picture-wise because it has lots of opportunities. It's fire exits and the way there to the main edge where is a drop. And the third floor, we're gonna go just check it out, and I think the floor is not very steady, so be careful.
So from here you could take one of your shots for your Instagram. Probably one of the best ones. There's one at the back there, but I'll say this behind. It's over there. It's near the front of the actual plane. This is the second floor. It's a bit wavy. It's a bit, you have to watch the floor a little bit because some of it's a little bit. But if you look, like, I'm not gonna lie, a little bit scared of heights, but I still did it in a way. I could either jump from here, not going to do it. But it's like, you know, I could do it, but I'm not. So a little bit of advice for everybody before they come to this place. Please check the weather. We didn't, and it is, as you can hear, it's raining. We've still got some really good pictures, and it's still a good place to come to if you you want to get pictures for your Instagram or any sort of photo shoot. So we're gonna have to end it here. Still come, don't miss out.
So guys, hope you enjoyed the video and like and subscribe if you did. And we'll see you soon.